I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, I've got several pieces of scrap about this size. They're too small to make them worth me going through them in huge lots to fix them out and make them into something useful, but every once in a while I need something about this size. So I'm going to cut out all this bad crap on the end, these tongue and grooves, and make something I call useful, but most people call crap. Okay, I guess it's about time I say what I'm going to make out of these. I'm going to make one of these little whistles. But I've been making them out of 3/4 inch hardwood, or not hardwood, but solid wood. And they've always been a little bit too small for what I think I need them for. So today we're going to make them 1 inch by 1 inch instead of 3/4 by 3/4. And try to make them, hopefully they'll have a little beefier of a tone. So let's cut them off to length. Okay, I'm not actually going to measure these. I'm just going to cut them off so that I don't get this knot. So, let's cut it off. Okay, my crappy little drill press table is too short for me to get these pieces into them. So I'll just use a hand drill and just try to be gentle about it. I'm going to drill in about as deep as I can get. 2.5, maybe 3 inches. Okay, next we got to cut out that little V cut. So I'm just going to eyeball it with a back saw. See how well we do. Okay, to cut the angle cut, I'm going to use my little back saw. Hopefully this will get me a little bit more control, but I'll probably still end up screwing it up. So let's see how we do. That didn't turn out too crappy. Okay, in this part we're taking a dowel rod, 3/8 inch, and we're going to, normally you would file it flat, then cut it off and put it in the holes, but I find it quicker just to use the table saw. I don't suggest anybody else do the table saw. I say you should sand it down or file it. Okay, next it's just a matter of applying a little bit of glue. And slipping the reed, is what I call it, into the hole. And I just use a nail to hold it in place until it dries. Okay, the next step is to cut an angle on the edge of this piece right here by the mouthpiece. So we'll do that on the table saw by eye. Okay, here's the finished product here. Problem is, I screwed up when I cut this notch. I cut it way too deep. Nothing there. What it is, the air goes in, and then it kind of goes up and over. And that up and over is what makes the whistle sound. I place a nail in there. Now the air is going in and up and over it, and we're getting the whistle sound. So I'll just get some 2-part epoxy and maybe glue a nail on here, or throw these away, start again, and make some good ones. Okay, I've made another one after I had dinner, and I put the improvement in here, which was making sure this V cut only goes through half the hole. On this one, I cut it all the way down to here, and that didn't allow the air to go up over the reed and then still hit that hole. The going up and over the reed and going down into that hole is what makes it make the sound. So there it is, a wooden whistle made right this time. Now all I have to do is give it to the neighbor kids and let them annoy the hell out of their parents. Thanks for watching.